Hello everyone to another session of eCommerce 99 dev stream. Today we're going to fix some more bugs and make sure that we are all good on that front. So I don't have something very specific today, so I think we're going to just take a look at our bug list, the stuff that's still open, and make sure that we have something to do. Okay, let me first get rid of all the yeses and then see if we have something in the category 1, priority 1 thing. Okay, worker test plate, it's something we will do all the time. This one I think I already fixed. Performance review I fixed as well, I think. We will actually test this as well. You know what? I think what you should probably do is just start test game. Get rid of all those because they're empty. Start test game and then have a look. So yeah, of course I forgot to switch to full screen again so you could see what I was talking about. But we're going to take a look. I have the profiler on here as well. And we're just checking if we are encountering any spikes that are not driven by the editor. Okay, let's stop this. Let's start from the proper game and get going. I'll maximize in a second. Okay, I also need to look at the chat at the same time. So let's maximize. We have audio. Let me check if we have audio here as well. Yes, all reduced the audio. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put on the audio here so I also hear this. And then let's just start a new one. Test D16. Very creative naming. Let's get into it. So far, profile is not a problem. Just loading this. Oh, come on. Can we somehow... Yeah, okay, almost there. Here we go. Going to wait for the intro to stop and then go through the tutorial to see if we find any other issues and just see how far we get. Same time. So far the profile is good. I'm turning around a bit of issues. I think it's because so now we are playing play. Last time I checked it was user issue. Let's actually quickly pause. Have a quick look at the profiler. This I think was the drop that we saw. This is when I activate the escape menu. What do we have here? Editor loop. Okay, that's mostly driven by Unity itself, so that's fine. Okay, we started moving already. So yesterday, I think I fixed the worst contributors to the lags we saw over the last few weeks. It was 3 light sources that were hidden a little bit, but now they're not shadow generating. So we had, I think it was 3 or 4 light sources creating shadows, and they weren't even at this location. So we turned them off to make sure that everything is baked except for the sun itself. So the sun is the one that is still casting shadows. Let's make some money. Put for sale. Our first order: 1 charging cable. 1 charging. So far, this is also after I did the changes yesterday to the post very late. first time we actually have proper play tests with those, but so far this is running so much more smooth. I am very happy with this. Right, actually, let's first get very fast still. That's eventually. I mean, we have the people that do it themselves. It's a little bit slower compared to when you are doing it manually. Oh, that was what too many. Let's put it back. This. Okay. We have all here. Wait for the next message. Press this. Just load down. Oh, I think there was one issue. I'll put in our backlist. Which was that a player, and I need to test this. Yeah. Not now because we already did it, but next time. The player can potentially call the delivery van. But I don't think they can, but we'll check before the message might be. We do check that. Oh, okay. Can't jump out, good. I can. Yeah, let's give some food. Really like jumping up there. My little rascal. Okay. Everything closes. Good. Okay, we did our 5 packages, everything perfect. Let's have a look. Okay, this is, I think, one of the issues we still have, that this is not I need to check something. So if we reduce the main, the next time we go into the end of day thing, it should be much more quiet. We had an issue before where the volume controls did not affect the whatever you call it, the thing I just did, the end of day screen. Let's unlock those two. Buy them. I want to put them on the website. Oh, we should also actually as part of like all the bug and polishing, we also have hooked up now the what's called the site boni. So I will get the site to get an extra order. It's really good. Let's see, what can we get? 2 extra orders. I think this is a bit wrong. What's this? It's a product grade up, product grade up. Okay, let's do 2 extra orders. A loyalty increase, I don't want yet. That helps us later. Sidebar apparently. Oh, here we can also get an extra order. Oh, we can get a factor of extra orders very quickly. There we probably need to do a bit of a balancing run. Let's see if it actually works with the extra orders, or because technically they should do something different. These levels, they are normally improving what you can do, how much impact the other improvements have. Or 2 phone cases, we haven't stocked those yet. I guess we'll start with those. Oh, we also have our first new message. That's good because that's something I need to check as well. Boom. Yeah, where is here? Phone cases. We'll check the messages. Ooh, 10.3. It's actually not that good. But for not trying, not bad. 2 mouse pads. So, and charging cable. Okay, we have one more order for today, I think. Okay, let's see. So. Okay, let's have a quick look here. Why did we got 2 minutes? Okay, this is fixed. Oh yeah, this was reminding us that we can do the website. We already did that. So let's call truck to ship everything. Can't wait to get workers. So, done. So far, I am following the profile on the side, and so far we're actually really good. Like sometimes we're dropping under 100 FPS here, but besides that, it looks pretty good. I mean, now you could see how this one, we don't do anything now. I can have it on the screen. Does it work? Yeah, now you can see like the physics are coming back, but even then, it's doing pretty well. Like now we're average on 150. Let's see what happens when the truck leaves. Yeah, not much. So that's good. There we had the spike. Let's have a look what the spike is. I mean, it's still like 60 FPS or something. Let's see. Update scene, update script run, delay, dynamic frame. Oh, interesting. Oh, sorry. I hope you didn't hear that. I bumped into the microphone. Did I produce? You know what we're going to do? We'll continue playing. Going to use our good AI tools to do this. So basically, before I say I like using it to just run through this and find out different ways how it, what could be reasons for the issues that we're having. And here we can see, we don't want to use cloud code today. We can see what its evaluation is. This is the new one. It's Fable 5. Oh, why is it called Fable 5? I guess the previous one was 4, so like the next one will be a new name and 5. I don't know. Okay, let's have a look. There's a delivery. Yes. 7 instantiates costing means okay. Can we okay. Let's see if I should have actually brought it to let's see if that works. Maybe I should have gone over there. But it's interesting. I mean, I didn't actually feel the issue. It is most likely because we have a test running. Oh, why can't I? Uh-oh. Ah, because it's paused. That like when the delivery van leaves, we're having a box generated that just registers all the colliders within. There are a lot of colliders on the delivery box, and then it goes over fine, making sure that it doesn't select some multiple times. So we'll see. Okay, this still feels relatively loud. So maybe this is still not hacked. I thought I fixed this, but it might not be hooked up to the overall volume controls. We will do an extreme test in a second, where I will turn on the music almost completely. Yeah, okay. Let's see, now this will be the... I think it's a little bit more quiet, but much less so. Let's add this to this. And this will make a 2. And comparative, I don't know how to put this. Loud. So let's do this. Okay. Oh, but wait, we just unlocked the runway and still didn't have a picture. Oh, now we have a small frame drop. Let's quickly check that. Just now, I guess was this one. Let's continue for a bit. So this one goes out, so it becomes bigger. There was 100. What happened here? Update scene. There was something activating here. Okay, it activated the thing. I think that's fine. For now, at least. We'll do a proper review later, but it didn't really hurt me. So, the thing that we just unlocked was the runman. I thought I fixed this one. So, the runman still has no unlock picture. Let's put this here. Yes. Exactly. We had this before, so now we need to fix it again. Let's unlock it though. Oh, I didn't say. We don't have enough unlock points. That's fine. Let's get this in. There are 2 more in the box, so we keep this box. Instead, now we will see as well if the extra orders will come. Yeah. So I think we will finish this day, then we will do some cases. Then we will do some fixes. Okay. Assemble some stuff. We need new charging cables. Everybody always want the charging cables. I mean, what are you going to do with all the electronics if you can't charge them? Back in the day, everything came with their own charging cable, with a new custom-made plug. That was quite nice. It was not nice, it was horrible. You had like, you literally, the nice thing was you always had the charger you needed for the object, but you had like one for each object. It was so fucking annoying. And now we have, thanks to the European Union, a standard. And the company that was the one fighting the longest was Apple. But they had to relent after all. Now it's all USB-C, which is great, because I don't need to have a drawer somewhere where I just store millions of different charging cable types. One of the things we already know is as well that the or filled it. Okay, 6 orders. That's so okay. The level up says that it unlocks new orders, but it actually doesn't, because that's not what it's supposed to do anyway. So let me add this here as well. Let's set the new module level ups. Say they don't. Okay, now we need to fix 2. I want to quickly add this one. Let's get the run man. Yes, and then we got the one that is hooked up, but I think problem is more display issue, because the what is it called? I forgot what it was called. I forgot. What can you do? Okay, let's get the profiler back so we can actually follow exactly what happens when he leaves. With he, I mean the truck, the van, livery van. Yeah, we have this one time spike. Which is exactly this register load. Instantiate. What I don't understand, why would register load instantiate anything? Let me see. How do we do this? We open. Okay, first off, let's finish this so the game saves at the end of day. Ah, we didn't turn the music all the way down. Okay, so let's quit this. Ah, it's an editor, I can't quit the editor from here. I want to go here. And then we can check just the load. If it would be. Delivery. Control, I think this. And then register load. Does it instantiate anything here? No. Nope. So what's the issue here? It's gone because we continue playing. Okay, it's fine. That's not the bug we will be fixing today. Was there something else? We have the picture. We have. I think we have what we wanted to comment. But one thing. Oh, the other thing. I think we haven't. Okay, don't print. Something we need to put here. Maybe we have already. Is taping scores. Okay, we'll put this on the one as well. Everything's a one today. Okay, we will do the first one, which is I think the most important one right now. Ah, I'm tired. I forgot already. What was it? This one we didn't test, but that is fixed. Yes. This maybe is a yes. We check that. Performance review. That is for now a yes. So we'll put this on a yellow. Just so we see that we did something there. Play capacity code deliver endpoint. Ah, exactly the main modules. So let's have a quick look on our JSON for the design modules. Here, this ones. So we have the header. The bonus is this. Why does it say that you get what do you call it? New orders. I bet it's a default thing or something. let's have a quick look. You know what? If I eye for this, they can find out where it is. How? Actually, the specific on the product grid was the one. Oh, it is bonus category basic orders. Interesting. 0, 1, 2, 3. That's the first thing. Sidebars also supposed to give you basic orders. First of always 0, 1, 2. Okay, let's do this. But why didn't it give us extra orders? This is the product grid. Sidebar. Yes, because this is called differently, I think. Modifier storage. We need to see what it was actually called. We don't need your cloud after all. Website loyalty, hiring supplier. Website basic orders. But we had the other one as well. Why did that not work? Because we have other ones that do this. What was it? Need to go in and find out. Okay, the sidebar you don't have to go to the beginning, so the sidebar is the one that gives you an extra order. Okay. So at least that was there we need to put back to where it was before. So this needs to be 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay. So that worked. Why didn't the other one work? Yeah, you already have the product grid from the beginning, and then you level up. Maybe it did work, but this one definitely worked. So it should be fine, I think. Website basic orders is exactly the same as here, so it should be fine. Always active sidebar. Okay, should be fine, I think. Let's see if we can test it. How do we test it? Okay. I have an idea. It's a little bit of waiting involved, but what can you do? Okay. First unlocked everything, which gave us a lot of extra orders, but we want only the 5 standard orders. So this. I know, but now, okay, we want to compare to the next day. Okay, let's try it again. will see how much we have at the end. Okay. At the side, we want. 1 second. We need to add more design points. Need to close this. At the side, we want to. Not this one. This one. So now we wait until all the orders have arrived. The last one should arrive at 12. Fulfill some orders in the meantime. So 3 orders. We will let me. Let's place this. This guy is. Can you fit this? No, sure. Set. Oh, interesting. That's good. That we is something we should put on the list as well. That you can't place this close enough. What's it called? The office desk. Okay, whoa, we got our 5 orders. What? Sorry, can we still have the profiler on? Did I turn off the profiler? I think I turned off the profiler. Yeah. What a shame. Yes, doesn't matter. This was because we restart. Okay, so 5 orders. Great. Let's call the guy. Tomorrow we should get 6 orders. If that works, we're good. There was never a bug. I mean, we're at the part of the game development cycle where we are checking if something, or where we think there's a bug, but it's not. Maybe that's a very good place to be at. Okay. Left, let's end the day. Nothing has been shipped. Just a few orders on the floor. Make this big. Okay, 2. What's the other message? Ah. Nice, the journalist. It's one of the random messages you can get. 2. Come on, we want 6 now. 3. Waiting. Come on. 4. Doesn't look good, I think. Getting another one. Ooh. Probably could have just debugged that. But hey, here we are. Waiting, staring at the screen. Come on, another one. The product grid level up. Oh, let's just ask them why. Let's see what comes out of it. One hand is quite nice that nobody's watching those streams. I can do whatever I want. Thank you for pointing out that it should. Pretty sure it's something with adjust website modifier. There it doesn't trigger or something. So many tokens. Come on. Finish your evaluation. I want to continue. Oh. Oh, too fast. Can't read. Yeah, exactly. With action. Ah, that's the difference. Yeah. Oh my god, I fixed this already so many times. Somebody has changed this. Yes. Show me the change. Should be a very small one. Very small. Mm-hmm. No. Show me what you want to play. I just want to see the actual code that you will write. Ah, is it there? Okay. They always change the fucking layout. I hate it. It's giving you different things because whatever. Yes, two. Because okay. Yes. And now it probably shows me the whole thing. Yes. That's what I want to see. Yes. Bash. Okay, do some bashing. I don't know why it's called bash. Probably a very sophisticated reason, like where the word bug is coming from. Which is, for everybody who doesn't know, a bug. Back in the day, they used to do computers with sixels and wood, and actual bugs would come in and destroy the workings. Like a lot of the I don't know which parts they actually did from it, but it was the early times. So now let's see, and we will also do, this time we're not going to wait for the whole thing. And now we want to have it here. Look. Ah, it's after the return. That's why it's grayed out. Oh shit. Yeah. Everyone just want to have this whole thing. I want to see what comes out of it, and then we don't have to wait for the whole day to until 12 to have all the orders in. Let's see. Come on, Mr. Bush. Good. So time we should have. It even tells you here. Didn't even need to do this. Okay, let's finish this. Bye. Oh, you can hear me breathing. Still some stuff to do on the outside. It's a placeholder for now. Okay, so let's do all this. Oh no! I'm an idiot. I also need to buy the stupid upgrade. Doesn't work if you don't buy the upgrade. Hi. Great, very smart. Just had. Okay. Okay, we have our 5 orders, right? Where is it? We have start the day. Let's do this right away, and then we can, in the meantime, get the design points. Site, and we wanted the. That's too small, I can't read it. The product code. Upgrade that one. See what comes out of it. 6, 5, 4. Yeah, we will continue focusing in a second. Actually, let's do small again. Just have this all the orders generated. Exactly. Okay. Orders generated. So, okay, next day. Six. Perfect. Works. Okay. Check in. And then we can mark this as done. Yes, and also I will rename this module website builder upgrades. Work. Now they do. Perfect. Here we go. What's the next thing we should do? We should check this one. We can just check this in code. And the tutorial. No, actually in the pickup item controller. Let's get rid of you, Mr. Claude. And where's that? So it should be the last of the here. So at some point, wait, is it the right one? Let's try. Oh, I'm in the wrong script. I was thinking about another script. So we want to click on the phone. Not here. What am I doing? Phone. Here. Open doors. Okay. Apparently it goes here. Okay, and it needs to be over tutorial 5. Okay, if it's 6, I can open it. So the thing is that the they will still do all this. Okay, okay. How do we do this without having to adopt the load? Need to think about this. So if we just put a bool here, the problem is that the bool will be but we could set the bool at the beginning. Yeah. Okay. So my problem is if I have a bool, I need to save that the bool is the right thing. But what I could do is have a bool that is basically yes at the beginning of the tutorial, and it's set as yes. Or no, it's always yes, like go ahead, we have done this. But then it is set to no when we enter the step, and then together with you need to be above this step, you can then access it. I think that's what we're going to do. So let's do this needs to be in tutorial controller. All the different bools here. Public bool, what do we call it? Then ready to be called. Bool set is 2. True. But we will set this to false. That's step 3, step 4, 5. This is where we can start calling stuff. So here we will set this to false. And then after we have you can hear all this on the microphone. That's okay. But nobody's watching anyway. And then we're going to set it to true again after we had the oh wait, maybe am I in the wrong? We should set it to false here, because that's when we have the just get this away. Yes, it's 6. here. With this here, and then after we have been said wait, delivery comes once a day, so track referee, do it now, and then we set it to true again. So now we need to go here, and first off, this needs to be bigger than 5. Here, this is 6. And then we do another one. Controller dot host name when ready to be called. So what should happen now is that you can only call it afterwards. We need to playtest this stuff just to make sure that there's no issue, because that's quite critical. But I think it should work. Load this scene, unload this scene, start the game, drink some water. Let's also turn off the music for now. Another thing is, just remembered, saving sound settings. Very important. Okay, now wait for the intro. First thing we'll do after the intro is then we'll see if we can call the van. No. Come on. Oh, but this. How fast can I get through this? Okay, oh, that was a terrible draw. Wait, come on. Okay, did I break the tutorial? Break the tutorial. That's what I need to put here. We probably can solve this in a similar way. So I should think this. And done. Oh no. Okay, can't call it. Good. Now can't call it. Okay, perfect. That works. We'll do a similar solution for clicking on a computer. That's probably the last thing we do today. But in the tutorial controller. Product stored. No, it's actually not here. It's here. It's when you click the computer. Yes. What? If tutorial active. Just return. Why is this here? What's step 2? Store product. 3. Going to do something. Here's tutorial controller. Dead. Computer. Accessible. I don't know if that's the right word. And it's true always, except when we're setting it to false. And again, it's because of the saving. Accessible with 2s. Accessible. Let's see. Accessible? No. Accessible. This one, yes. Where we want to do it here. Accessible. Whatever you want to do it. Like so. And then we set it to false. So, and then we want to have it be accessible. It's shelf setup. Okay, store the product. Let's store product goal. So here we set it to true. Okay. I think we can put it here. Item here. No, we will actually put this. Oh, not here. Put it here. We set it through here again. Okay. Now we go through it one last time and see if it worked. Enter intro again. Probably should build something that skips the intro. It's always good water time. I'm an idiot. It doesn't work. Of course, also need to have check here. And tutorial from start. I will test this on my own though. So I wish you all a great evening.